that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here. It's not over there. But it's kind of catchy though. Snape, Snape, Flatherous, Snape, 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 Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Snape, Snape, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Snape, Snape, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Ron, Ron, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Ron, Snape, Ron, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Ron, Snape, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Ron, Snape, Ron, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Snape, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Snape, Flatherous, Snape, Dumbledore. Snape, Flatherous, Snape.
Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, hey, Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, hey, Harry Potter, yeah, that's me. Dumbledore.
Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape. Go, go. Hermione, Ron, Snape, Snape, Weasley,
Harry Potter,
Snape,
Harry
Snape,
Potter,
Snape,
Harry Potter,
go, bitch, sing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! What? Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort, Voldemort. These are the bloopers. You're a wizard. You must be flying. Where's your freaking eagle? He's supposed to cure me. I thought it was a broomstick. Whatever. I'm not a Harry Potter fan. You know, I think that ticking is like someone baking out. I know, that's so gay. I'm just over. It's okay. These people are so stupid. It's okay, guys. Let's just see. What? Let's do the credits. It's the least we can do for a video. This is Sheila playing Snape. Jessica playing Ron. Weasley. Jacqueline playing Dumbledore. Playing Hermione. She's not a wizard.
That was easy.
I'm